How to create alert reminders in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create alert reminders in Monday.com. So if you don't know yet, Monday.com is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your tasks, all your details, and all your data. So first you can go to your Monday.com dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Then you can go to your board. So let's say this board, and I'm gonna click one of the tasks here, and then let's say I'm gonna mention someone. So I'm gonna reminder them. So let's say I'm gonna type, "Could you please give me an update for this task?" And then I'm gonna click update here, and I want to make a reminder for them. So I'm gonna click icon here, set reminder, and then you can choose the time, you can choose in 1 hour, in 20 minutes. Let's say I'm gonna choose tomorrow, and then it's successful. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.